Got another unboxing for you guys today. This time it is from TurboTime USA. If you have a larger VGT turbo in your 6 liter, your 6.7, or your 6.6 Duramax LLY through LML, with a variable geometry turbo, like I said, larger than stock. Actually even stock, but this really shines with larger and stock. This guy is going to help you spool that monster turbo much quicker than it does now. So this is a actuator. Actuates the vanes, excuse me, in that turbo. So the VGT turbo uses vanes on the exhaust side that the vanes basically turn different angles to spin the turbine wheel quicker, which in turn spins the compressor wheel and spools the turbo up quicker. Makes these turbos, act kind of like a compound turbo system would. So this again is TurboTime USA's Lightning Solenoid. You would take out your factory actuator and replace it with this guy. And what it's going to do is clamp down on the vanes quicker and harder and cause that turbo to spool much faster, get you on boost a lot quicker. Ends up making the engine or the transmission, go through the shifts quicker because it's coming up on boost and on power quicker. Just completely changes how the vehicle drives. One of the beauties about this is you don't necessarily need tuning other than for overboost reasons that you're obviously going to run into with a bigger turbo and one running quicker than the computer is used to seeing. So if you've already got a tune on your truck, all you got to do is slap this in there and you're set, as long as the tune in there does have an overboost setup. So again, for any larger turbo, this is really where this part's going to shine. For the 6 liter, the 6.7 Powerstroke, the 6.6 Duramax from LLY all the way up to LML. Again, it is the Lightning Bolt Solenoid performance actuator, from TurboTime USA. We got a test of this guy coming up pretty soon. We got a 6.7 Ford that we're putting a larger turbo on, so we'll get to see exactly what this guy does within the next few weeks to a month here. TurboTime USA Lightning Bolt actuator.